Want arms that make people look twice? Then stop obsessing over your biceps. Your triceps are what truly build thickness and size. Today we're going to destroy your triceps and build bigger, more powerful arms than ever before. Exercise 1. Kettlebell lying triceps extension. Skull Crusher isolates and targets the triceps brachii using kettlebells to provide a comfortable grip and an extended range of motion at the bottom of the movement. Lie flat on your back on a bench or mat with your feet flat on the floor, holding a pair of kettlebells with your arms extended straight up over your chest. Keeping your upper arms fixed and stable, slowly bend your elbows to lower the kettlebells down toward your forehead or just behind your head in a controlled arc, and then contract your triceps to press the weights back up to the starting position. Exercise 2. Dumbbell standing one-arm extension isolates the triceps brachii unilaterally, placing the muscle under a deep stretch overhead to target the long head and build overall arm mass. Stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart, holding a dumbbell with both hands or one hand, and raise the weight overhead with your arm fully extended. Keeping your upper arm fixed close to your ear and your elbow pointing straight up, slowly lower the dumbbell behind your head in a controlled arc, and then contract your triceps to press the weight back up to the starting position. Exercise 3. Dumbbell lying one-arm supinated triceps extension isolates the triceps brachii unilaterally, using an underhand supinated grip to place unique focus on the medial and lateral heads while addressing strength imbalances. Lie flat on your back on a bench with your feet planted firmly on the floor, holding a dumbbell in one hand with an underhand grip, palm facing your head, and extended straight up over your shoulder. Keeping your upper arm perpendicular to the floor and using your non-working hand to support your working elbow if needed, slowly lower the dumbbell toward your opposite shoulder in a controlled arc, and then contract your triceps to press the weight back up to the starting position. Exercise 4. Two arms dumbbell seated triceps extension isolates the triceps brachii bilaterally, holding a dumbbell in each hand to promote balanced strength and development across both arms, while keeping the long head under continuous overhead stretch. Sit upright on an incline bench with your feet planted firmly on the floor, holding two dumbbells overhead with a neutral grip, palms facing each other, and arms extended straight up. Keeping your upper arms fixed close to your head and elbows pointing forward, slowly bend your elbows to lower the dumbbells behind your head in a controlled arc. Feel a deep stretch in your triceps, and then contract your triceps to press the weights back up to full extension. Exercise 5. Cable incline triceps extension isolates the triceps brachii bilaterally, utilizing constant cable tension and an inclined position to place the long head under a deep, continuous overhead stretch. Sit back on an incline bench, positioned facing away from a low pulley machine, gripping a straight bar attachment overhead with your hands shoulder-width apart and arms extended. Keeping your upper arms fixed close to your head and elbows pointing forward, slowly bend your elbows to lower the bar behind your head in a controlled arc under steady cable resistance. Feel the deep stretch in your triceps, and then contract your triceps to press the bar back up to full lockout. Exercise 6. Machine overhand triceps dip isolates and targets the triceps brachii bilaterally, using an overhand pronated grip on a dip machine to maintain continuous mechanical tension on the arms while supporting torso stability. Sit upright in the machine with your back firmly against the pad, feet flat on the floor, and grasp the handles with an overhand grip, palms facing down. Keeping your chest up, shoulders depressed, and elbows tucked close to your body, contract your triceps to press the handles straight down until your arms are fully extended. Squeeze at peak contraction, and then slowly allow the handles to return upward in a controlled movement to the starting position. Exercise 7. Dumbbell lying triceps extension Skull crusher isolates the triceps brachii bilaterally, placing the muscles under a deep stretch overhead to target all three heads and build upper arm strength. Lie flat on your back on a bench with your feet planted firmly on the floor, holding a dumbbell in each hand directly overhead with palms facing each other. Keeping your upper arms stationary and elbows pointing forward, slowly lower the dumbbells toward the sides of your head in a controlled arc. Feel a deep triceps stretch, and then contract your triceps to press the weights back up to full extension. Exercise 8. EZ-Barbell Incline Triceps Extension isolates the triceps brachii bilaterally, utilizing an incline bench and an EZ-bar to reduce wrist strain while placing the long head under a deep, continuous overhead stretch. Lie back on an incline bench set to roughly 30 to 45 degrees with your feet flat on the floor, holding an EZ-bar overhead using a narrow to shoulder-width overhand grip with arms extended. Keeping your upper arms fixed and elbows pointing forward, slowly lower the bar behind your head in a controlled arc. Feel a deep stretch in your triceps, and then contract your triceps to press the weight back up to full extension. Exercise 9. Cable reverse grip tricep pushdown isolates the triceps brachii bilaterally, using an underhand supinated grip to emphasize the medial head while reducing wrist strain and minimizing momentum. Stand facing a high cable pulley machine, gripping a straight bar or EZ-bar attachment with an underhand grip, palms facing up, at roughly shoulder width apart. Keeping your chest up, shoulders depressed, and elbows pinned tightly to your sides. Contract your triceps to push the bar straight down toward your thighs until your arms are fully extended. Squeeze at peak contraction, and then slowly allow the bar to return upward to chest height in a controlled arc.